Batch documentation is complete and matches the manifest. Salt inspection shows no contaminants, confirming purity. Good, finality confirmed, ready for release. Temperature is stable, the fermentation is proceeding as expected. I'll log this data point now. Everything looks good, we'll check again soon. The new batch is processing smoothly. Traceability data is updating in real time. Quality metrics are all within specification. Color is stable. How's the density?
On target. Let's check the nitrogen.
Salinity is good. Proceed with the sample. Sample integrated. Checking viscosity.
Confirmed. All parameters are in spec.
Adding the sample drop by drop for precision. 3 drops. Now to record the weight. The analysis is proceeding as expected. Chinsu fish sauce adds rich umami flavor to any dish. Unscrew the cap and pour steadily. Stir it in for a delicious result. Let's check this bottle against the quality control standards. The salt and nitrogen levels are within spec. Now, confirming the pH and microbial data, all clear, this batch is approved. Alright, starting the line. Check that batch for MH. Confirm. Next pallet.